you guys, this is Lannie. So I'm coming to you with a little DIY. This is a cute little dress that I got from Ross late last year. I think I paid maybe $10 or less for it, but I was feeling a little creative and I wanted to do something different with it, so I created this look. So if you want to learn how I did it, make sure that you stay tuned. So these are the items that you're going to need for this DIY. I will list everything in the description bar for you guys. So I have a pair of shorts here that I don't even wear because I can't fit anymore. But I'm just using it as a guide on where to cut the crotch for my romper. So I'm just using a pair of scissors and cutting that section out just like so. And you guys, nothing is precise with this project. A lot of this I'm pretty much just eyeballing and just kind of having fun with it. It's a DIY, and I'm not a super precise person. If you've seen any of my videos, cooking videos or anything like that, you know that I'm not a big, a stickler on measuring and having things like super precise. So after that, I went and turned the dress inside out, and I used something called stitch Witchery. And I'm just kind of folding that section where I cut so it won't look as jagged, because again, I didn't use precise cutting or anything like that. So I put the stitch Witchery there just like so, and then I folded over and I took an iron and ironed it down, and it's pretty much sticking the fabric together because your girl cannot sew, okay? So I need items like this, like the stitch Witchery, to help me with projects like this. So now we're going to turn our dress back over to the right side, and we're just connecting those separate sections together just like so we can create our pant legs. So we're going to take that same stitch Witchery and put it on the edges just like so and iron them closed. So I'm just doing the same thing on the other side, and I'm also making sure that I get that crotch section as well. Next, we're going to move on to the top of our romper, and I wanted to create like a little off the shoulder situation. So I'm just cutting straight across just like so. Again, no measurements, I'm just eyeballing and just cutting straight across. So once that's done, I'm just using, this is an elastic band that I got from Walmart for only $1, you guys. And by the way, the stitch Witchery was only maybe $2 or $3 as well, very inexpensive. So I'm using that elastic band as a guide just to show me how far I need to fold that piece of material down. And then I'm just going to go ahead and slide it out. Now I'm using the stitch Witchery again to clamp that piece close, but you want to make sure that you only put the stitch Witchery on the very edge of where you're folding, because you do want to leave an opening because you will be feeding that elastic band back in to the dress. I hope that wasn't confusing, but if it is, just keep watching, girl, just keep watching and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so once you're finished with that, you're gonna go ahead and feed that elastic band into that slit that you have in the sides, just like so. And I didn't show you guys the struggle because it was kind of hard feeding that elastic band in, but it should look like this once you're done. And you don't want to pull that elastic too tight when you're doing this part, because of course you want it to be comfortable. You don't want it to be too tight on your shoulders, obviously, cutting off your circulation, trying to be cute. But just go ahead and clip that once you do it to your liking. Go ahead and clip that off, and then go ahead and tuck that piece in, and then use that stitch witchery again and close it down. So, oh, there's my baby's hand trying to give me a piece of Snickers she had. She's so sweet. But here I'm just cutting off those little pieces off of my romper, because obviously I'm not going to style it the same way that the dress was. So here is how the top should look, and it's nice and stretchy. Super cute. Alright, so this is me with it on. What do you guys think? I thought it came out really cute. This is my first time kind of doing a DIY when it comes to clothing, because again, I can't sew, so it always kind of discouraged me on, you know, kind of revamping something in my closet. But I thought it came out really cute for my first time, and I am definitely wearing it out. You can dress it down with some sandals or dress it up with a pair of black high heels, which I plan on doing. But I thought it came out cute. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. If you learned anything from this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos from me like this, make sure you comment below and subscribe to this channel. And I thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.